Would you agree that most people love to travel? And what about savings? I guess real savings are one of the few things that beats traveling, right? If this is true, how would you like to earn big commissions by helping others to save up to 75% on their trips? Picture this: 4-night cruise to the Caribbean for 2, plus 1-year emergency travel service membership, plus 7 nights on an exclusive resort to Mexico. More than $5,000 value for less than $500. These are the kind of deals we're talking about. Saving up to 75% on your trips, earning commissions by helping others save, or getting paid while you travel to the most exotic destinations in the world. Which option do you like best? What about all of them? All these opportunities are now available through JIFU, the new US-based travel platform that gives you access to the tourism industry's vacancies so you can save up to 75% and earn commissions on lodging, tours, cruises, and car rentals, lifestyle activities, and more. Did you know that more than 5 million hotel rooms worldwide sit vacant every night? Did you know that every vacant hotel room represents a significant loss of revenue for the owners of these venues? Did you know that the same goes for car rentals, airline seats, and cruise staterooms? This is why most companies offer their vacancies with up to a 75% discount. However, these discounts are not offered to just anyone. Instead, they are offered through JIFU, a wholesale membership travel site that allows these vacancies to be sold without damaging the business model of the most popular travel sites. Because, let's face it, there will always be people who will be willing to pay retail prices for the same service. For the rest of us, who would rather save than waste our money, JIFU works just like any other travel site out there, where you can complete online reservations for more than 500,000 tourism services worldwide, but with 3 distinct differences that sets JIFU apart. The first one is JIFU does not mark up prices. For real, JIFU offers their members the real wholesale price. The second difference is that a membership is required to access JIFU, just as you would need one in order to access Netflix or Amazon Prime. And the third difference is that through JIFU, you can start your own business and earn commissions by promoting, as an affiliate, JIFU's amazing discounts and its affordable memberships. Once you log into JIFU, you can have access to amazing discounts on a variety of services. However, the most valuable are found in lodging, where you can find 5-star resorts for as low as $40 per night, car rentals for as low as $1 per day, and cruise packages that includes a 1-year membership of emergency travel services, plus 7 nights in a luxurious beach resort in Mexico for 2 passengers for less than $500. Do you realize how huge these deals are? How much would you have saved on your past vacations with these kinds of deals? With JIFU, a typical 1-week family vacation savings often adds up to $500. So if you could give your friends and family access to these kinds of deals for just $25, how many people you know would be interested in a JIFU membership? Well, for every referral that becomes a JIFU member, you'll earn $25. So just refer 10 of your friends and family members to JIFU and earn $250. Even though $250 is good money, JIFU's compensation plan is designed to allow you to earn much more. Do you want to know how you can earn up to 6 figures with JIFU? Let me set up a disclaimer. Just like in any other business, your income will be as high as your own performance. Therefore, if you act towards this business opportunity seriously, it can potentially make you earn more money than you could ever imagine. Let's do a projection so you can visualize how much you can earn. Think. How many people do you know that would like to save up to 75% on their trips? Do you think that 2 of them would be interested in becoming a JIFU member in order to access these huge savings? Now imagine, how many people do you know who would like to earn big commissions by helping others save on their traveling? Do you think that among them you could count on 2 of them becoming a business affiliate by purchasing a gold affiliate pack? Do you think that it would be possible for you to guide your 2 business affiliates to accomplish exactly what you just did? Do you think that all this could be accomplished within 30 days? If you think these goals can be accomplished, then by acquiring 2 customers, 2 gold business affiliates, and duplicating this process within 30 days, you would have earned $250. Do you realize that almost anyone, regardless of his or her background, can accomplish this? What is even better than that, it only takes you helping your business affiliates achieve the same goal for them to earn their own $250 and for you to start a very lucrative business. Just keep duplicating this simple process and earn up to $2,500 on accumulative earnings within your first 6 months. At this point, you will have reached a production pace where you can duplicate your residual income of $350 on month 6 to $700 on month 7, up to $1,400 on month 8, $2,800 on month 9, and $5,600 on month 10. You get the idea, right? As you can see, the potential earnings are impressive, and they can be greater if your personal and group performance excels this basic example. This business is simple. Start today as an affiliate, promote JIFU's savings and business opportunity, and inspire others to travel. In order to do this, JIFU not only offers you discounts, but it also rewards you with up to $31,200 per year so you can travel whenever and wherever you want. Along with this, JIFU hosts up to 4 luxury trips a year to the most exotic destinations, to which you could be invited to attend with your lodging paid for. Do you see why we are so excited about JIFU business opportunity? Now that you have seen a brief overview of what JIFU has for you, reach out to the person who led you to watch this clip and request a more comprehensive business opportunity presentation so you can start saving, earning, and even traveling for free with JIFU.